Hooty-hoo, all my stock market gamblers. Today is Friday, and I want to welcome you. I'm Tall Mike. It's October 9th. Anyways, what did we find out this week? What did we find out? Well, we found out that 840,000 new jobless claims. People are losing jobs. Still, this has been going on since March. But what we also found out about is the 50 richest Americans are worth more than the whole bottom half of America. 50 people are worth half. They're worth as much as half the people in the United States. That's crazy. That's crazy. The rich are getting richer. And now Wall Street this year, they're going to have record bonuses. They're never going to be such big bonuses. We got millions and millions of people out of work. But not the rich. The rich, their incomes are going up, getting big bonuses. Well, that's why I'm a stock market gambler. I'm trying to make sense of all this. Now let's take a look today at some charts. All right, let's start with the S&P 500. You'll notice it's above the 50-day. Now everybody asks me, Mike, this doesn't make any sense. It does not make any sense. But look it. Eventually the market is going to come down. But at this point, we can just as easily have a melt up in the market as a meltdown. Now, the reason for this is because nothing matters. It doesn't matter what the economy's doing. It doesn't matter if stocks are making money, if companies have good earnings. That doesn't matter. That stuff's out the window. The only thing that matters is the Fed going to print more money? Is there going to be more stimulus? This will raise the markets. That's all we're betting on right now. And I'm betting that they will, and I'm betting this drifts higher. How long? I don't know, but I do know it's going to drift higher until it doesn't. So what you want to do is you want to be in the markets. You want to be in there. Okay, I follow Apple Computer a lot. Look at this. Apple Computer is going to tell you if we're going to drift up or drift down, all right? Now, this Apple Computer has been hugging the 50-day. It doesn't know which way we're going yet. All right, look at this. The RSI is dead center. It's just buying time, but what it's building is building up energy, and this energy is going to lead to a big move. The big move is either going to be up or down. I don't know which way it's going yet, but I'm telling you, we could just as easily drift up and melt up as we can have a meltdown. Right now, watch Apple, watch this 50-day. If we get decidedly above it or below it, that's the direction the stock market's going to go, and it's going to go big. Anyways, let's move on to this next chart. I want to talk about Peloton. Let's talk about this one. This one is big with the Robinhood traders. They love to buy pullbacks in this one. This stock it's a bicycle pedaling stock. You go and you pedal a bicycle, and you're on a computer, so you get to watch other people pedal the bicycle. All right, maybe I don't understand the whole concept, but I do understand fitness. You ever go to a gym on the beginning of the year, January 2nd, the day after New Year's? Your gym is going to be so crowded with people because they're excited. It's a new resolution. Well, what happened with the pandemic? All the gyms closed. So Peloton came up as this new revolution to replace a gym workout. All right, well, first thing what I know, it's a fad, okay? Just like a New Year's resolution. It's a fad. It's not going to last. Anyways, yes, right now this stock is hot. It IPO'd, I don't know, maybe a year ago at like $20. This is at $120 now. From $20 to $120. This is not going to hold. Now, it may go a little higher. I may get my butt handed to me. I am short this stock. This is not, I think it's $34 billion with the B. $34 billion stock. It's a bike pedaling exercise app. I mean, come on. Really? $34 billion? I don't think so. It's going to come down now. Trouble with shorting stocks is they can stay crazy for a very long time. But eventually, this is going to come crashing back down. I'm looking forward to crash down to at least this 50-day. It hasn't hit the 50-day since March. It's been straight up, straight up, straight up. $20 in March, 120 now. I don't think it's going to hold. By the way, my gym is back open. I can go to the gym now. I can work out again. I'm telling you, Peloton, I'm short. It's the only one I'm short, okay? I don't think the market's going down. I think I'm betting against the market. But I think that Peloton is just overpriced, and it could come all the way back in to this 200-day at $50. Anyways, I have some put options on it. I'm short this stock. Look at the MACD. It's way at the top. This is getting ready to break. Now, it may go higher. It may get to 120, 125, 130, but it's getting ready. It's getting ready to come down. It's going to come down. I know it is. Anyways, I'm short that one. All right. Let's move on to PayPal. Now, PayPal here is a stock I trade in and out of. Anyways, it's trading right around 195. It's sitting right on its 50-day moving average. It's just sitting there. I'm betting we hit a new high with this one. I'm betting it gets past that 210. Anyways, I'm looking at buying some calls on this around the 210 strike price. I think we're going, you see we got a high there. Now we had this pullback, but I do think we're going higher. I think we're going higher in it. I mean, the MACD's come off the low, we're rising up. I'm betting that we go a little bit higher on this one. We'll see if I'm right. If it breaks down decisively below the 50-day, I'm out. But anyways, I'm taking a shot. That's what we do on these things. We're gamblers. We take a shot. Let's go down here. Home Depot, another one I love to jump in and out of. Anyways, this has been in a pretty good uptrend. Anyways, I just got out of it recently, but I'd like to get it back here on a pullback. If it gets down below 280, I'm back in. But anyways, right now I'm out. I'm just watching it. But I think once it comes down that 50-day, I think it's going to bounce again. I think that 50-day is going to hold. Notice the uptrend in the 50-day. Notice the uptrend here. Okay, the 200-day moving higher, 50-day moving higher. This has everything I like in a stock. I just would like a little bit of a pullback. I'm buying this on weakness below 280. Below 280, I'll jump back in. Buy some call options. That's what I'll do. Anyways, that's one I like. Let's see what else we got here. Intel. Intel, I used to like this stock, and I was playing it along here. I was so lucky not to be in here when it had this big drop. Oh, you see what bad earnings can do to a stock? It can just pummel it down. But Intel is rising up nicely here. Well, I'm not in it. I'm looking for it to get up to the 200-day though, which is only 3 points away. You could play it up there, but once it gets to this 200-day, how the 200-day sloping down, I think it's going to come down off of that. I think it's going to. I would go short at the 200-day, which is right around $56. Anyways, I think that's all I got for you today. Yep, that's all I got right now. But if you like looking at charts, this is what I do. I'm a chart. The real word is chartist, but I like to say chartologist. I'm a chartologist. Anyways, if you like looking at this stuff, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like if you like this video. Anyways, if you want to know my secrets to reading charts, just go to stockmarketgambler.com, put in your name and email, and I'll send you my secrets for free. You'll like them. It's a good read. Take you about 10 minutes to read it. That's it. Maybe 15 minutes if you're slow. Anyways, that's all I got for today. It's the weekend ahead of us. Get out there and have a great week. I'll talk to you all again on Monday.